Hello, my name is Stefan. In this short video, I would like to introduce you to the latest development of the insurance unit of Asseco called Asseco iPortal. The iPortal is a mobile front end for insurance agents, brokers, customers, and public within one single solution. It is designed as an integrated self-service front-end solution providing valuable features that streamline sales processes and minimize back-office operations by expelling the most requested services to the portal and thus unload the back-office from the everyday routine requirements of the customers. Its primary function is rapid generation of quotes, online sale of policies, and issuance of resulting documents. The portal also provides its users with important information in the form of notifications, reminders, hints, and statistical outputs. Key performance indicators are presented in a graphical way, helping agents to be more efficient in selling policies, tracking, and maintaining the existing ones. The responsive design and multi-platform capability enables the application to operate on desktops and mobile devices with iOS and Android operation systems. The technology in which the portal is designed enables the user to build new products on their own, with no need to make intervention into the source code of the application. Now, let's take a look at the basic functions of the solution. If non-user, non-customer nor agent is logged in the portal offers the following two actions. Initiation of a quote by clicking the appropriate button on the left, enabling making price offer and its conversion to insurance proposal, including online payment over the portal, or file a first notice of loss on behalf of an existing client or as a damaged person. These are the two basic functions that are available for a public user, a user that is no non-customer nor agent. Now let's sign in as an agent. Based on the login information provided, the system displays the agent section of the portal starting with the agent dashboard in a layout in which the agent last left the portal along with the settings defined per each of the widget. Currently, the portal supports 12 different business areas. These are policy portfolio, commissions, premium written, outstanding premium, new production, loss ratio, cancellation ratio, events on the policy such as anniversaries, renewals, maturities, and the portfolio of quotes, clients, claims, and proposals. Every widget has its own setting capability. I click settings, the system displays the filtering criteria on the right with the possibility to redefine the filtering criteria. So, for example, I put 2017 as a starting date of policies. I click apply and the system changes the data. So you can see the two widgets of policy portfolio are displaying different volumes, different results. 23 million versus almost 25 million. It's because the filtering criteria are different for the same widgets. Now, except the dashboard and the statistical data presented by by the widget dashboard, the agent is able to track to view his subordinate agents, his clients, policies, pending quotes, quotes waiting to be concluded, to be finalized, loss notifications, and documents. The document repository with the capability of uploading and downloading documents. Finally, From the left pane, there are two other options, and these are connected to online conclusion of proposals. I select life insurance. The system displays shows you the products defined over the portal. I click term insurance more, and the system displays the first screen of the quote. Starting with basic data, um, covers and packages. These are the two relevant uh, sets of data that influence the premium calculation, then calculation, additional data that are required to conclude a proposal, insurance application, final review, and online payment of the premium over the portal. You can see that the system guides the user, the agent, through a 5-step process, starting with the most relevant data, uh, influencing the premium up to the review of the policy. The user is able to quit or to interrupt this process anytime he wants by saving the quote. The system asks the user to enter the email address so that it can send a link to this email address informing where the user stopped, interrupted this process, where the user left off, along with the information about the regarding the validity of the quotes. Let's see. I open the email informing me what I did in the portal with a hyperlink that redirects the user to that point where he left off. Then I would like to show you two other functions. Each agent is able to configure his notifications. I go to settings. Currently the portal notifies the agent about 4 events: pending quotes, new policies, cancelled policies, policies before maturity. It can be set what to notify, when to notify it, and what information channel to use when notifying. So, for example, if I click the notify by email, how many days after initial quote registration to notify. The settings affects the notification button on the top, showing what to notify, with the drill down capability of the system. So for example, I click new policies. The system lists all the 110 policies that are new in the system, newly concluded system, with the drill down capability, enabling to dive deeper into the policy, showing details, covers, collections, claims, and commissions. The drill down capability of the system is present also in the dashboard. So for example, if I go back to the dashboard, seeing the policy portfolio, clicking the arrow, the system displays the policy portfolio in details, with again with the option to dive deeper into the policy to see the detailed data. So these are the key functionalities of the solution, of the portal solution. Thank you very much for your attention.